I'm Jimmy Miral. I'm Group 13. This is my report. Philippine Ports Authority. Section 26, Port Regulations. The PPA, after consulting relevant government agencies, can create rules for planning, developing, maintaining, and managing ports and port districts, ensuring order or achievement the goals of PD No. 857. Separate regulation may be made for different categories of ports. Next is Section 27, Dangerous Cargo. The PPA can be regulate the convenience, loading, unloading, and storage of dangerous goods within ports, port district, and their approaches. Different regulations may be applied to different types of ports. Section 28, Powers of Harbor Master. The Harbor Master, on behalf of the PPA, may direct the berthing, anchoring, and movement of vessels, including where and how vessels are moored, and manage traffic within ports and their approaches to ensure the compliance with Section 26 and 27. Next is historical evolution. Before PPA, Port Administration was under the Bureau of Customs, BOC, which also handled revenue collection, while the Bureau of Public Works, BPW, managed ports maintenance with over 700 ports across the country in the early 1970s. There was a growing need to coordinate national ports of planning and development. Creation of PPA. In response to the need of a dedicated agency and influenced by a World Bank loan condition in 1973, the PPA was established through PD No. 505, later amended by PD No. 857, 1975, to expand its scope and responsibilities. Next.
PD number, PD no?
PD number?
Oh. May period yun eh.
Further amendments. In 1978, EO No. 513 gave PBA police powers, allowed it to impose fines, and created two national ports advisory council, NPAC, to enhance government-private sector collaborations. Next is administrative ships. Initially attached to the Minister of Public Works, Highways, MPWH. PPA planned ports project, while MPWH handled construction in 1987. Under EO No. 159, PPA was moved under the Department of Transportation and Communication, DOTC, and gained full responsibility for port construction and financial autonomy. Next is legal and infrastructure milestone. 2007 Supreme Court decision, PPA was ordered to pay 6 billion in compensation to Batangas City residents for land acquired for Batangas Port Phase 2. Port congestion measure in EO No. 172/2007, President Benigno Aquino declared Batangas and Subic ports as extension of the Port of Manila to relieve congestion and support economic activity. Strategies and social responsibilities. PPA strategies. 1. Deliver reliable and responsive port service while supporting community and environmental development, aiming to be a model government agency. 2. Build fair, equitable, and mutually beneficial relationship with partners and service providers. 3. Offer meaningful employment and foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement. 4 is development globally and competitive world-class port operation that enhance the country reputation. PPA Corporate Social Responsibilities. 1. Operate ports that meet local and global needs using best practices and advanced technologies. 2 is promote community growth by integrating them into broader economy. 3 is maintain fair business relationship that benefit both stakeholders and the government. 4 is enhance employee well-being by providing a supportive work environment and career development opportunities. Last is corporate powers and duties. As provided by Section 5, Article 4, PD and No is 857, the following are the corporate powers and duties of the PPA. The corporate duties of the PPA shall be as follows. A. To formulate, develop, and regularly update a national port development plan is in coordination with NEDA and other agencies. B is to supervise. Supervise is control, regulate, construct, maintain, and operate facilities and service in port under in jurisdiction. C. To prescribe. Set rules and guidelines for the establishment, construction, maintenance, and operation of all ports including private ports. The corporate duties of the PPA shall be as follows. D. To license. License and supervise in any construction or structure within port districts. E. To provide. Offer or contract port service such as berthing, towing, loading, unloading, storing, and warehousing goods. F. To exercise. Manage for sure rights or assigned to authority. The corporate duties of the PPA shall be as follows. G. To coordinate, collaborate with the Bureau of Lands and other government entities for sure area development. H. To provide or support training programs and facilities for PPA staff and port stakeholders. I. To perform undertake necessary action to service to fulfill the objective of PD No 857. Thank you, sir.